Hello everyone. Let's provide the solution to this problem very quickly. Square root of x plus 1 over 2 equal to x. The first thing is to make square root of x the subject, okay? So square root of x will be equal to x minus 1 over 2. Okay, so this is what we have. Then the next thing is to square both sides. We are squaring both sides so that we can remove this square root. This will be equal to x minus 1 over 2, then squared. And then I hope you know what this means. This can now go with this. X will be equal to x minus 1 over 2 in two places because of the square on it. Now we expand this. I want to show all the steps. X times x will give x squared. X times this will give negative x over 2. Then this times this will give negative x over 2. And then this times this will give us plus 1 over 4. And then from here, we can just find the LCM straight away because the LCM of this is 4, right? So it's going to be 4 multiplied by all of the terms. 4 times x equal to 4 times x squared minus 4 times x over 2 minus 4 times x over 2 plus 4 times 1 over 4. Okay, so the next thing we will do is to clear out the fraction, right? So that's 4 times x will give 4x equal to 4x squared will be here. Then this will go there 2 times, so that we'll have negative 2x. Then this will go there 2 times, another negative 2x. Then plus this will go there, and we have 1. Now 4x is equal to 4x squared. Put these two together, you have minus 4x, then plus 1. And we can rearrange this better. Okay, so we have 4x squared, then this minus 4x, this becomes minus 4x plus 1 equals 0. 4x squared minus 8x plus 1 is equal to 0, right? Okay, so from here we have a quadratic equation, and at times trying to factorize this will be kind of complicated, right? So it's better you use the formula method for this. And for the formula, we have a to be 4, b to be minus 8, and c is 1. Now the formula is x equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac. Everything here is over 2a. Okay, let's continue with this so that we can now substitute into the formula. X is equal to minus 8 because b is 8, right? Okay, plus or minus b squared here is minus 8 squared, then minus 4 times a is 4 times c, and our c is also 1. Okay, then everything is over 2 times 4 because a is 4. And then if we continue, our x will be 8 because negative gives positive, plus or minus 8 squared will give 64, then minus 4 times 1 will give 16, right? Then the whole of this will be over 8. So x will be equal to, we have 8 plus, if you subtract this, you have 48, and this is over 8, right? Okay, let's continue. Our x will now be equal to 8. Sorry, this is plus or minus 16 times 3, because we can simplify square root of 48. And then here we have 8. If we continue, x will be equal to 8 plus or minus square root of 16 is 4, then multiply by root 3. This will be over 8, right? Okay, now let's continue. X from here will be equal to 8. As a matter of fact, we can factor out 4 from both of them. So I'll factor 4 out. Then here I'll have 2 left, plus or minus. Here 4 has gone out, so we have just root 3, and this will be over 8. And then from here we can reduce this to a lower fraction, so that x will be equal to 4 here 1, 4 here 2. We now have 2 plus or minus square root of 3, and this will be over 2. Okay, but mind you, this cannot cancel this, okay? So you will not make that mistake. Let's continue. So our x is equal to 2 plus or minus, okay, let me break it down now. 2 plus square root of 3 over 2, or 2 minus square root of 3 over 2. Now